Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Laura over at Laura's Plans and Crafts. She is hosting a Tag Your It in celebration of her hitting 2,000 subscribers here on YouTube. She is requesting one decorated tag. Her channel will be linked down below so you can check out all of her challenge details and what she requested for her tag. The entries must be postmarked by September 30th. This is the project that I created for Laura. I did already attach it to the backing for her packaging. I did decide to do vintage Halloween. I do have some Tim Holtz Halloween paper in my stash, and it's been a while since I used it, so I thought it would be fun to create her a vintage tag. I also shared my October-November release, and that was, I think it was actually 2023, but it is the vintage colors. We have some of the darker browns and like the mossy greens. I thought these would go great with any vintage projects that she creates in the future. I did use one right there. I hope Laura likes my entry. Please be sure to check out Laura's channel. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.